See, we have to evaluate very much simple question. It is 9 9s are 81. So we can say 9 upon 6 6 are 36. 9 upon 6 x bracket square minus 5 5 are 25. 5 of y upon 5 bracket square. Which formula? A square minus b square is equal to
A square minus b square is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b.
Okay. So simply we can say 9 upon 6x plus y upon 5 and second bracket 9 upon 6
x minus 5 upon 5.
y upon 5. This is your answer. Okay. If this formula, this steps it is right, then give 2 marks. Okay. Then next question. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of this. It is factor. Okay, what it is given? That x minus 1 is a factor. Factor of polynomial p of x. Suppose this is p of x. Therefore, what we can say? X is equal to 1 when we transpose this. Or simply we can say, therefore, x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, we can say x is equal to 1. Okay. So we want to find value of this. Therefore, what we can say, the polynomial p of x is equal to 0, suppose. Okay. Or simply we can put value of this x is equal to 1. Look, what is the polynomial? X square plus 9x minus 5 plus k is equal to 0. Okay. Then p of 1 we can put one value, x value, what we are putting 1. So 1 square plus 9 multiplied by 1 minus 5 plus k, and then it equal to 0. 1 square 1, 9 ones are 9, 5 as it is, plus k is equal to 0. It is 10 minus 5 plus k. So what we can say? 5 plus k.
5 plus k.
So k is equal to minus 5. When we transpose this, k is equal to minus 5.
Minus 5.
So this is the value of this k. Okay, now this question, very much simple. Look here. Here we know that 9, we can say it is a square of 3. 3 is a 9. We can say it is 3 square. Okay. 9, how we can write? 3 multiplied by 3, bracket raised to 2 by 3. Here we can say 3 multiplied by 3, bracket raised to 1 upon 5. So we can say 3 square, again bracket we can say it is 2 upon 3. And here we can say again it is 3 square, bracket raised to 1 upon 5. Okay. Then what we can say? Here we can use the formula a raised to m bracket raised to n is equal to a raised to m multiplied by n, right? So here we can say 3 raised to 2 2s are 4
2
upon 3, and here we can say 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 upon 5. So we can say 3 raised to 4 upon 3, and here 3 raised to 2 upon 5. Here we can use the formula a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. So we can say 3 raised to 4 upon 3 minus 2 upon 5. Now look, these are unlike fractions. So what we can do? Cross multiplication also you can do. 4 multiplied by 5 minus 2 multiplied by 3 divided by 3 multiplied by 5. It will be 20. 20 minus 6 upon 6, 15. 5 3s are 15. So what we can say? 20 minus 6, it is 14 upon 15. So this is your final answer. 3 raised to 14 upon 15. Check your answers.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have directly used the formula in the first step only, like means 9 uh, raised to 2 upon 3 minus 1 upon 5.
Directly use the formula 9
Yes, sir.
raised to 2 upon
I
3
used it.
minus 1 upon
Minus
5.
5.
So what
Yes,
answer
sir.
you get?
Sir, 9 raised
9
to
is
minus
10
7 upon
minus
7
3
upon
15.
upon 5 means 9 raised to 7 upon
7
5.
upon 15.
But what about this 9 again? Again 9, it will be square, 3 square, then 7 upon 5, then 3 raised to 2 multiplied by 7 upon 5. No, no,
So
15,
not
15,
7
15,
upon 5. So it is
15,
15.
15,
Yes.
15, right?
Yes,
3 5
sir.
is 15. Means again the same answer, na? 3 raised to 14 upon 15. You have to simplify. That much it is great. So give 1 mark. So this is 1 marks, and for this remaining steps, again 1 marks will be there. Okay, understand? Na? Because we want to simplify this. This is the simplest. Okay, understand?
Yes, sir.
Value of m is equal to 1.5. Understand how to solve? Look here. Once again, I'm explaining.
Yes, sir.
Look here. 343. We know that it is a cube of 7 cube. Okay, power is to m. Here it will be 7 square. And downside 7 raised to m. Here we have to use formula a raised to m bracket raised to n. So we have to multiply this power. So it will be 3m. Okay, it will be 3m. Then here it is 7 square. And here we have to use this formula again. A raised to m divided by a raised to n. So it will be like this 7 raised to 2 minus m, subtraction of the powers, because base is same. As base is same, here also on right side, left side, so what we can say? Powers will be same. So 3m is equal to 2 minus m. So by transposing this m, 3m plus m is equal to 2. So 4m is equal to 2. Transpose this 4 here, it will be divided. So m is equal to 1/2. Okay, so in this way we can get value of m. Understand how to solve?
Yes, sir.
So how much you solve? Even not try, na?
Sir, I tried by finding the cube 343
That much only.
and yes, sir.
Actually, you have to try that examples. Like I also tried, na? Just see how simple was my this. Okay. So tell me how you have solved this question. Simplest form of this. Tell me.
By
Sir,
finding
10x is equal to, sorry, 100x is equal to 100 into 0.78, that method.
First of all,
yes, sir.
x is equal to
0.7878.
0.7878 like this.
78.
Yes, sir.
Then multiply 10 on both sides. Suppose 10x
100, sir.
Sir,
100.
100.
Simplify 100. You multiply 100x is equal to 78.78. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it will be 78 plus 0.78, right?
78.
100.
Yes, sir.
Then this value we can say it is x, right now?
Yes, sir.
78
Yes,
plus
sir.
x, and it is 100 x.
100x.
Put this 100x minus x is equal to 78. So it will be 99.
99.
99x is equal to 78.
Yes. So x is equal to 78 upon
78 upon 99.
99.
very good. At least you solve
Excuse
it.
me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, we can simplify it.
Simplify again. But no value is going to cancel. Na? How you can simplify? Is there any value? Divisible by 3? Then divide.
Yes, sir.
Simplify. 3 2s are 6, 3 6 are 18.
33.
33. That much only, na? Or again?
Yes, sir.
That much only.
No, sir.
So this is your answer. Again, next question, let us solve question number 6. Have you solved that question?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, look how to solve this question. Value of x, it is given x is equal to 9 minus 4 root 5. Then how to solve?
So after putting the values, we will make the values equal by the method of cross multiplication.
Cross multiplication.
Yes, sir.
Here you have x plus 1 upon x like this. So x value you
Yes.
have 9 minus
9
4 root
minus
5.
2 root 5.
Okay, and here 1 upon 9 minus
9 minus
4 root
4
5
root 5.
like this.
Yes.
Okay, then you have
Yes, sir.
consider here 1
Yes, sir.
cross multiply. So it will be like this. 9 minus 4 root 5 bracket square
Bracket square.
plus it is 1 multiplied by 1 divided by
1.
9 minus 4 root 5. Okay, like this only na.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is the expansion? 9 nines are 81. Then
81
minus
minus 18 4 root 5.
9 twos are 18. 18 multiplied by 4, or we can say
18 into 4.
36 multiplied by 2. So it is 72.
Yes, sir.
72 root 5
Excuse me, sir.
plus
22
4.
4 root 5, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
That
Excuse
4
me,
fours are
sir.
16, 16 5 are 80. Right na? 80 plus 1. Yes,
Sir, I didn't understood this.
this
How
question
72 came that?
72. Simply it is a minus b bracket square na.
Yes,
So what is
sir.
a? A is your 9. A is 9, b is your 4 root 5. Okay, what is your formula? A square minus twice ab plus b square. So minus 2. Ab multiply this 9 multiplied by this 4. How much? 36. And again multiply by 2. 72. Minus 2ab is there now.
Yes, sir.
That's why it is 72 root 5. And this 8, 4 4 the 16. 16 5 are 80. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now look here. It will be 81 plus 80. 161. 162 actually it is 162
Yes.
minus 72 root 5. Here downside 9 minus 4 root 5. But here again you want to solve this because you not get proper answer. So here rationalize. It is minus, so plus 9 plus 4 root 5. You have to multiply both sides. Here also you have to multiply 9 plus root 5. Understand? So downside what you will get? You will get 9 square minus 4 root 5 bracket square. Okay. So it will be here it will be 162 minus 72 root 5, and the second bracket 9 plus 4 root 5. Downside you will get 9 nines are 81 minus 4 fours are 16, 16 fives are 80. Okay, 80. And upside as it is. Upside as it is, or simplify it. This is 162 multiplied by 9. Again, this 162 multiplied by 4 root 5. Then minus 72 root 5 will multiply with the 9. And again, this minus, again this minus 72 root 5 will multiply with the 4 root 5. It is a long process. If you don't want to solve, simply do one thing. Keep the bracket as it is. Okay. In exam, suppose you don't have much time. So simply 162 minus 72 root 5 and 9 plus 4 root 5. Keep as it is. Only rationalize the denominator. Denominator you will get 1. What you are getting? 1. So 162 minus 72 root 5. And here, this is only your answer. Okay. So answer we can say this is your answer. Okay. Understand this question how to solve? Understand?
Yes.
Okay, look how to solve. Here it is clearly given x plus 1 is a factor. X plus 1 is a factor. So what we can say, let x plus 1 is equal to 0, then value of p, or we can say value of x is equal to -1.
-1. Yes.
Hmm? So put value of this over here. Okay, -1. Look here, suppose this is p of x. Consider this as a p of x. Okay, in this put p of -1. So -1 bracket raised to 997 plus -1 bracket raised to 886 plus -1 bracket raised to 775 plus bracket raised to -1 bracket raised to 654 plus -1 bracket raised to 113 plus 1. Now you know square, odd square means it is -1 only. If suppose -1 multiplied by -1 multiplied by -1, odd it is there na? Odd power is there, then we can say answer is minus. And when
-1.
even power is there, then that time it is plus. So we can say
Plus
answer of this it is
-1.
-1. Here answer of this
+1.
+1. Here -1. Odd.
+1.
Here +1. And here
Again -1.
-1. And lastly it is +1. Now count how many plus 1, 2, 3. Plus 3 and how many minus 1, 2, 3. -3. It will be 0.
0.
Okay. It is 0. So what we can say, p of -1 is equal to 0. We know that p of a is equal to minus. Then what we can say, or p of
The
minus,
given polynomial
then we
is a
can say
factor.
x plus a is a factor. Like this we are saying, na? So therefore what we can say, as p of -1, therefore x plus 1 is a factor of p of x by we can say remainder theorem. Understand? Okay, next question.
Yes.
How to solve? Look here, it is given in this question √11 minus 1, √11 plus 1 is equal to a minus b √11. Okay, in this way. Now look here, in this number, this denominator is not rationalized proper. We have to rationalize it. Okay, how to rationalize? How to rationalize it? First of all, make a bracket over here and over here also. We know that we have to use a plus b, it is given. So by which we have to multiply? A minus b.
√11 minus 1.
So here only put here -1, √11 minus 1. Here also √11 minus 1. Multiply both sides. So downside what we are getting? √11 bracket square minus 1 square. And here upside what we are getting? √11 minus 1 bracket square. So here we can get √11 bracket square minus 2 √11 multiplied by 1 plus 1 square. Downside we are getting 11 minus 1. Okay, so √11 it is 11 minus 2 √11 and finally it is plus 1. Downside 11 minus 1 it is 10. Okay, so what we are getting? 11 plus 1 it is 12. 12 minus 2 √11 divided by 10. Take common 2 from this. So what remain? 6 minus
-1.
√11. We are taking 2 na, 2 common, and downside 10. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10.
10.
So 6 minus root 11 upon 5. This is your that answer. Now here a minus b root 11 it is given. Okay, a minus b root 11. Now look here, just separate out this factor, 6 upon 5, and here root 11 divided by 5. Okay, now check what it is given here, a minus b root 11. You just check, this is your a, 6 upon 5 is your a, minus 1 upon 5 multiplied by root 11. Just compare this with this, what you get? Value of a you get 6 upon 5, value of b you are getting 1 upon 5. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Both the values you are getting. So your answer is correct?
No, sir.
Not solved.
Sir, I tried solving, but
Okay.
answer is not.
So consider in exam also, if it is not rationalized, rationalize it. Then you will get answer. Okay.
Yes.
You solve this question 9. Solve this or not?
No, sir. Tried solving, but answer I didn't get.
Not solved. Okay. So today we have to solve or tomorrow? Today only, no? Just try to solve. Okay, look how to solve this question. Very much simple question it is. Look here, what it is given here, x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4. Simply we can get idea from this. What idea? You know that simply I will put like this, x raised to 4. How I will write? X square bracket square, right? Right or not? Just look. It will
Yes,
be
sir.
x square bracket square plus, look here, 1 upon, we can say x square bracket square is equal to 34. Now look, 34 is not a perfect square. Is 34 is a perfect square?
No, sir.
No. If I will add plus 2 on both sides, then
It is.
perfect.
Will be
Na?
a perfect
Look here,
square.
x square bracket square. I will write this like this, 1 upon x square bracket square. Huh? Look,
Hmm.
plus 2 I will add here, and plus 2 again I will add here. Okay. So what you will getting? Look here, x square bracket square. Here it is 1 upon x square bracket square. If suppose, if here I will add, look here, what it is here, x square now. If suppose I will multiply with the x square, and again this 1 upon x square, if I will multiply, then same answer we are getting, 2 only. X square get cancelled. What we will get? Only 2 will get.
Yes.
Means what I want to show, which formula, you understand? A
Yes, sir.
square
Is
plus twice ab
2ab
plus b
plus
square.
square.
Means I want to make this. Already here 36, you know that it is a perfect square. Okay, here it is a plus b bracket square. I want to do like this. So what I will get from this? Tell me. What is your a? This will be your a. A means x square,
X
and
square.
b, what we can say, 1 upon
1
x
upon
square.
x square.
So simply from this, what we can say, comparing with this identity, we can say it is x square plus 1 upon x square bracket square is equal to this 36, means 6 6 are 36, 6 square. Understand? Understand? 36, 6 6 are 36. Taking square root on both sides. Taking square root on both side, what we are getting? What we will get? Tell me. What we will get? We will get here x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 6. That we will get now. Understand
Yes,
up
sir.
to this? Now, again, what we will do? Again, what we will do? Same as I want this 2 again. Because x square multiplied by 1 upon x square, again it is 1. So again add plus 2 on both sides. Look here, x square plus 1 upon x square. Again I am adding here plus 2. But here this time I will multiply this x multiplied by 1 upon x. Okay. Equal to here. If you are not understand that, one step again I will do like this. Only add plus 2 on both sides. Understand? Now look what you are getting. You get x square, or we can say x square plus 1 upon x bracket square. And here now 2 I will multiply with this x, and again with this 1 upon x. And here what you are getting? 6 plus 2, 8. Right? Comparing this with this formula, a square plus twice ab plus b square, what you will get? A plus b bracket square. What is a here? Here it is x, and here it is 1 upon
1.6.
yes.
X.
So comparing by this, what we will get? X plus 1 upon x bracket square is equal to 8.
8.
Okay, 8. So we can say root 8 bracket square. Okay, square of this, what we can say, root 8 bracket square. Okay, taking square root on both sides, what we are getting? X plus 1 upon x is equal to root 8. Now root 8, how we can bifurcate? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. From this we can take this 2 outside the bracket. So we can get 2 root 2.
2.
X plus 1 upon x is equal to 2 root
2
2. And that is our answer. That is our answer. Understand how to solve? Look, find the value of x plus 1 upon x. Understand how to solve this
Yes.
type of questions?
Yes, sir.
Very much simple question. Okay. Now, one last question we will solve, and remaining questions we will solve afterwards. This question we will solve. Or tomorrow we have to solve remaining questions. You tell me.
So after solving 10th, we can solve tomorrow.
10th. Okay. Now you tell me how we can solve this question. Give me your ideas. I will consider this as 0. Suppose let. So squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. What I will get? Suppose it is equal to 0. Squaring on both sides. Look here. It is like this. 15 plus 10 root 2 bracket square plus 15 minus 10 root 2 bracket square, and here it is 0 square. Okay, so here you are getting what you are getting? 15 plus 10 root 2 you are getting. Here what you are getting? 15 minus 10 root 2, and here 0 as it is. Okay, now look here, 15 plus 15, 30, and this 10 root 2, 10 plus minus get cancelled. Okay, so what value you are getting? You are getting here 30, but you want again square root. Taking square root, what value you will get? Take the square root of 30. Square root of 30. Then we can say 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 it is. Okay,
Hmm.
understand what
Yes, sir.
I want to show.
Yes, sir.
So your answer is this only. Root 30 is your answer. Okay, because no value is going to coming out from the bracket. Okay, so what is your
Yes,
answer?
sir. Root 30.
Root 30 is the answer. How simple it is. Just we have to do something, means we have to think how we can solve this example. Okay, understand?